Today I want to talk about a capsule wardrobe on a budget, because capsule wardrobes are just so easy to mix and match them with the rest of our wardrobe. The jeans I'm using throughout this are my Sienna straights. A straight jean's got longevity. Mine are probably about 6 or 7 years old now, and they're Marks & Spencer's, which is affordable pricing. Good basic long sleeve t-shirt for layering underneath cardigans and sweaters and jackets. Pack of 3, $24.99. I'm wearing a small, and this is more of a cocoa colour, it's light mocha colour, so it's a cool, which suits many of us who've got lighter skin tones and lighter hair now. It is tight, it's definitely for layering unless you size up. I've ordered a size small here. $24.99 for a pack of 3. Now you need a t-shirt or several. I picked one, but there's many colours for this t-shirt, but they're all neutrals. Now it's $6.99 and it's 100% cotton. Short sleeve oversized t-shirt. It comes oversized, so you don't need to size up to get that oversized look. But an oversized t-shirt tucked into your jeans, front tucked or fully tucked, or wear it loose if you wanted to, if that's your thing, is a stylish item to have. Now taking the black version of the long sleeve t-shirt that came in a pack of 3, I'm layering it underneath this long cardigan, knee length cardigan on me. I love the feel of it. I love the colour. It's beige and black stripe. It's only 5% wool, but for $19.99 as it is currently, you wouldn't get cashmere and you wouldn't get merino wool. So we're talking about on a budget. This is a chic look. Also point out that my Sienna straight jeans do not come frayed. They do not come this short. I did chop them to get an ankle grazer hem and raw hem look quite a few years ago. But this outfit, you got jeans, probably $35.99, I would say. Boots, these are DREAMPAIRS boots from Amazon. The t-shirt, well, pack of 3 for 24 odd pound, and this cardigan, $19.99. Chic outfit on a budget. Now, at the moment, everybody needs their short, fine knit, striped, black and white striped cardigan. And this one is $12.99, but it comes in other neutral colours. It comes in your quiet luxury browns as well. It comes as plain without the stripes too. Wear it loose or button it up. I would go oversized. I would size up if you wanted it buttoned. Layering it over those 3-pack t-shirts. It comes with the Liver Eco label, which is 70% viscose, and viscose is a viscose fibre made from wood pulp. So we're talking about some natural materials within this cardigan, 70%. Now, of course, you're going to want a coat on top. $54.99 for a coat. Admittedly, mostly polyester, but it's recycled polyester. Quite luxury looking coat that is on a budget. And I think it is a very, very chic coat. It is slightly big, so I would size down in this coat. I also tried a coat that's double-breasted in grey, and that's even bigger. So both of these coats, please do size down. My favourite of the two that I think will give the better fit, though, even once it's sized down, is going to be the button-up swing coat. And this also comes in another colour as well, either grey or black. So a cooler tone rather than just a brown. But I think this is a great addition to a budget chic capsule wardrobe. Now, hoodies are everywhere at the moment. They are a chic, on-trend, comfortable, casual item to have. Slightly loose, relaxed fit. And H&M have got some for $18.99 in various neutrals. This is a lovely, cool, soft beige. Actually, I think it's incredibly flattering on the skin. It is 60% cotton, and when it's cooler, you can sort of push the sleeves up and just wear it without a layered item underneath. But at the moment, I'm wearing one of the long-sleeved tees underneath because of the time of year we're coming up to. So layering up, you've then got that extra bit of warmth of air in between your bottom layer and your middle and this layer, keeping you cozy and warm. And it looks chic as well. I think it's worth investing in several of these in different colours. You can't have a winter capsule wardrobe without a knitted dress. This really does look more expensive than $27.99 that it is. And it also comes in a light greyish colour as well. Both colours would look incredibly chic. They're both quite luxury colours. I love the length as well. If you're a petite, this is going to look great because it just comes to the knee. And if you're taller, it's going to be slightly more of a mini knitted dress. I like to belt a knitted dress as well. A greige bodycon MIDAXI dress, long sleeved, crew neck, fits beautifully. If you feel that you want something that's going to show your silhouette, this is a lovely, lovely dress. It's lengthening as well, being MIDAXI, the shape of it elongating. Comes in greige, which I'm wearing here. Also it comes in a grey, and it's only $37.99. Really, you can look chic on a budget. Now, if you want to know what's out of date this season, you're going to want to watch this video, and I'll see you over there.